Oh, hey guys. Well, it's the time of year that we're just so thankful for all of our amazing customers, especially the haters. I thought we'd share a few of our favorite comments and react to those for you today in a new segment we call Meat Tweets.
Merry Christmas, y'all.
Matt getting kinda thick and not in a good way. You either stay lean or go all the way like Malcolm Weed. No in between. Malcolm Weed? Is that why he's got the munchies all the time? Meat Church has the same set decorator as my local Arby's. Well, if you're going to Arby's for your meat, you probably shouldn't be on my channel. I just tried this recipe and I have to say it was the worst thing I ever tasted. I substituted the chicken for tofu and usually that makes it taste so much better. It just fell apart and was awful. Not recommending this one, sorry folks. Hopefully you teach better than you sell your product online. Well, I think I'm an amazing teacher. Sam, come here. Hey buddy, what's 8 times 8?
88.
Perfect. I rest my case.
Get your children out of the videos, bro. I'm a man and I want to watch videos about me. I hate children. Well, fuck you.
This is a horrible recipe, way too much Bisquick. I wish I had looked up reviews on this recipe. I followed it exactly as stated and it was just horrible. Don't waste your money on the ingredients, you'll be upset afterwards. That's just mean.